Very inconsistent yung mga pinagsasabi nitong si Mr. Diskaya. Very clear for me na pinagluloko tayo nito. I-contempt, Mr. Chair.
Your Honor, yung misis ko po ay nagpadala po dito ng ng excuse letter po. Na hindi po siya makakarating dahil po sa mga valid reason po. May po siya, yung may heart condition din po siya, at saka po bali nagpadala po siya ng letter po dito. Hindi ko lang po nabasa kung ano yung iba pang content.
Sumulat po si Mrs. Diskaya. I deeply regret to inform you that I will be unable to attend the Committee on Accountability of Public Officers and Investigations, fourth public hearing scheduled for September 18. Regrettably, I have an important meeting with my employees on the day of the hearing to explain the problem that the company is facing now and the effects this has on them. This meeting was already scheduled before I received the Honorable Committee's invitation this late afternoon. I humbly request the Committee's understanding and patience in this matter. Thank you very much for your consideration. Very truly yours, signed, Cesara Rowena C. Diskaya.
Ito lang sa akin simple lang. Very inconsistent yung mga pinagsasabi nitong si Mr. Diskaya. Then pangalawa, mag-asawa sila, imposible hindi niya alam, hindi sila nag-uusap tungkol doon sa health conditions. Silang dalawang. Very clear for me na pinagluloko tayo nito.
Your Honor, humihingi po ako ng pasensya po sa inyo. Wala po akong intention talaga magsinungaling, pero yung misis ko po kasi talaga ay madalas po, may sakit po talaga siyang diabetes, at saka meron po talaga siyang hypertension. At katunayan nga po, marami po siyang mga maintenance po na gamot na ginagamit.
What is the pleasure of the members?
I-contempt, Mr. Chair.
Is that a motion?
I seconded, Mr. Chair.
Kindly raise a motion.
I-contempt, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion to cite in contempt of the committee, Mr. Diskaya. Any objection? There's no objection. So, Mr. Diskaya, you are cited in contempt of this committee.